Hello, follow me today as I take up a role to go and see the people I am about to introduce to a new course. And this new course is what we are trying to set up the parameters. Follow me as I show you around the parameters that are involved. When I show you the parameters, you will definitely like all the apparatus in this workshop. Let's go. This is the viscometer. This is used to measure the viscosity of a fluid. When we talk about viscosity, we are talking about the thickness of oil, adhesive, coolant. These are the things you use to measure them. This is an instrument. This apparatus actually uses what we call inlet tube. Then the tube will be fixed here with a ball. So this is another temperature control system. And this is for calorimeter. This is Boyle's-Gauss equation we all studied in our various sciences. This is where it is practically in use. This is a mechanical heat pump. This is barometer. Manometers used the pressure gauge are used to determine them. So this is also another device, and this is the power plant, steam power plant precisely. You can see this in various industries, like in your refineries, in your production companies. These are the things they use for steam boiling production. So this is another such demonstrative equipment used to detect such. When you talk about pressure, it can be any force, it can be any unwanted forces that enters, except the voltage type. Also, it can be measured with this. So this is also another equipment. This equipment is precisely used in the lab. As you can see, that all miniature of the things you see in industries. So as you can see, another one, this is the float meter, this is the barometer, this is the low pressure gauge, and this is the high pressure cubicles. The cylinders, this is calibrated, and this is another manometer panel. So this determines the speed or the flow of the air, the pressures that is in the system. So when we were looking at this, this tank can actually work with hydraulics, that is for oil. And if you use air, it becomes pneumatics. That is, here is is mechatronics. You can use electric with the mechanical aspect of it, and you can equally use your pneumatic system here too. So this is another pilot tube. I'll be showing you how the installations and how we're going to power this system today. Keep watching as I bring you the rundown of the installation shortly.